Hey guys, welcome. Technical video here. Today in this video, I'll be talking about one of the issues faced by all iOS 14 users or also iPhone users, where while using Safari browser, they're getting a pop-up saying that do you want to download these ideas while using the website. Okay, so in this video, I'll be telling you how you can stop this and remove these issues from your iOS devices. There are 3 or 4 solutions, okay, which might help you. The solution 1 will be checking your Safari security settings. For that, just open the settings app and go to Safari option. So go and open Safari option, and here just make sure that the 2 options, that is block pop-ups and fraudulent website warning, is turned on. So these 2 settings will make sure that there are no pop-up ads and the no fraudulent website will spam you with the notification. The second step which you can do is clear your Safari history and the data. This will delete all the cookies and also the traces from the malicious website. For that, just similarly open the settings app and go to Safari option. Okay, open Safari option, and once you open Safari option, just scroll down till the end, and here you will find an option called clear history and the website data. Just tap on clear history and data, and this will delete entire data from Safari browser and it will make your Safari browser as new. After doing the 2 steps, the third one is a very common one, that is checking your software update. For that, just open a settings application and go to general, scroll down, go to general, and here just click on software update. Here just go and check for software update, because the software update might fix this glitch or bug if it is, okay, and this might solve the issue from the Safari browser. And the last solution I will talk about is resetting your network setting. This issue might be happening because of various VPNs or APN network which are connected or which are used. Okay, by resetting this might help the solving the issue. For that, just go to your settings app, open general application, scroll down till the end, and you will find a button called reset. Okay, here just click on reset option, and there will be multiple options. Just choose reset network settings. Okay, and enter the passcode, and this will reset your network setting from a mobile. This might solve the issue also. I hope this solution will work for you, and if you like this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.